Here we have a 63 plate BMW X5 M50D. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We also have the big blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the space grey metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, the two gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We have the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find that we have the black roof rails just there. We also have the shark fin antennae as well. We have the rear spoiler, front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust, a power assisted tailgate, and we have the X5 M50D badge in it as well. Back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a quick look at the interior, so in the back first, you'll find that we have the full leather interior, plenty of space back here for the leg room. We also have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points, we have the vents down there for the rear passengers, two 12-volt connectivities as well, the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, full leather interior. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function and they also are both heated as well. Electric windows and electric mirrors on the doors. We have the auto lights down there, the auto wipers as well. A multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. It's also electrically adjustable. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control just there. With the high beam assist as well, just on that stalk behind there. The digital screen in the centre of the dashboard along with the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that screen is flickering, that's just the camera. It's not like that in reality, so nothing to worry about. On there you find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, we have all of the different drive modes, the ambient lighting and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW X5 M50D. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to, and as you can see I'm not having to focus here. To keep it in a straight line, it's going straight into it, not going off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this is actually quite a powerful vehicle. It produces around the 379 horsepower mark, and for a big car like this it is quite quick and it does pick up very well. Now, throughout this vehicle, you do have lots of luxuries. You do have your multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode. You have your cruise control speed limiter on the stalk, on the indicator stalk. You have the auto high beam assist. You have the electric steering wheel just down there as well. We have the lovely wooden trim throughout this vehicle. Your power folding mirrors, electric windows, screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. Visual display of your front and rear parking sensors there as well. Throughout this vehicle you do have your climate control, that is your dual zone, two front seats are also heated, which is a very nice addition to have for those cold winter mornings. Both front seats have the extended thigh support and all seats throughout this vehicle are full Dakota leather. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs. And if you're listening to this test drive video so far, there hasn't been anything, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial setting, I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform a make stop, pop it straight into reverse, and just show you that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen, visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now. Emergency stop into 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Very good brakes on this vehicle. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around the video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video with a test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.